This channel is made by Joey J Studios. He has a channel and his name is Joey J Studios. Click the bell, like, and comment to his channel. See you.
Okay, class. Today we will learn about the solar system. Lovely. Did I just hear you sneezed? Yes, I did. Lovely. Don't you dare sneeze again. Okay. Achoo! Lovely Anderson. Did I just hear you sneeze again? Yes, I did, Mr. Hernandez. Oh my fucking god. Lovely. I can't believe that you sneezed once again. That does it. I'm calling Joey Ya. Go home right now. No 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 no. Hello! Is this Joey Ya? Yes! This is Mr. Hernandez here. Did you know what Lovely did? He sneezed at class. He has detention for 2 weeks. Can you ground him? He did? What? Oh my god! He is so grounded for this. Thanks for telling me that. I will ground him now. GRRRRRRR. Oh my gosh! Lovely. How dare you sneeze at class? You know sneezing can be hard to hear the class. That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right now and sleep on the floor.